Hi guys, my name is Karthik and I am from AzureAutomation.com, and welcome to another section of our continuous integration development delivery with Azure DevOps course. And in this section we are going to talk about Azure artifacts. And with this section we are going to be coming to an end of this whole services which is offered by Microsoft Azure DevOps services. Azure artifacts. Azure Artifacts introduces the concept of multiple feeds that you can use to organize and control access to your packages. If you are familiar with using packages from NuGet.org or npm.js, you can think of those places each as a single feed. So you can use that single feed, which is going to be the one which we will be creating in this particular video, and you are going to be using the same feed for both NuGet as well as for npm.js, or even it can be a Maven and things of that nature. So it's really helpful for companies to control the outside world packages and also track if any package is affected by any malicious code. And also you can see like what's the version everyone is using within the organization and control the usage of certain version. So the packages are one thing which the companies need to restrict the usage within the team, because as you can see, anybody with the access of internet within the team can straight away download any one of the NuGet packages or npm.js packages, and they can install within their project and they can start using with it. But the problem is, if you're going to be using any packages which is not the one which you should be using for, maybe there is some compatibility issues which the team has reported, then probably you should wait for the compatibility issue to be resolved. But if you don't really have any control over that, anybody can use any packages and you will end up with redoing all the babysitting works to resolve the issue which has already been identified within your team. So these Azure artifacts are something which are really helpful to track down what packages that you should be using and how you can control the usage of these packages from outside world. So you can do many different things within the Azure artifact, something like you can delete the complete package source, and then you can even revert the deleted package source, and you can use the latest version, things of that nature. You can unlist it and you can relist it, and then you can even promote it and things of that nature. So we'll be seeing everything in action and understand how things work. So stay tuned for our next video for it.